What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ, and today I've got a debut for you. We're going to see how this thing does. The official water test of a different flag mount. If you guys are not into flying your flags, you can go ahead and turn off. This won't concern you. But for you guys that want an easy, quick solution, you may want to stick around. I'll show you more about this when I get on the water. All right, guys, so thanks for joining me today. Let me show you a little bit about this mount. You just saw the video from me running this flag upwards of 60 miles an hour, putting it through about as much G-force as I could possibly do with the S-turns, the figure eights and everything, jumping a couple of boat wakes there, small ones, but you can see it's holding up just fine. Matter of fact, it had so much force on it that my flagpole here, this little clip where it clips into, actually split around the D-ring, so I kind of had to rig it to make it stay. But let me go over this flag. Now, you guys know that every time I talk to you, if this flag is up, boarding from the back or having a passenger board from the back can be dangerous because you can hit that flag and break that mount or your pole or both. So let me show you the nice thing about this one. This one here is going to utilize the Linq mount and your cup here. Now, you're not going to be able to use this if you're holding a gas can or a cooler, but if you're running solo or you got your cooler up in your storage there, this is how easy it is to take this flag off. Just like that, guys. It's very beefy, very sturdy, and to attach it again is just that quick. It's done, guys. It's back on. So you can easily mount your ski, pull that off, get on your ski, and then this quick attach it. And you are back in business. Now, this mount is designed, you can use it either or side of this. It doesn't matter which one. It's got some very beefy set screws in here to keep your flag secure. Will hold up to a 1-inch flagpole. As usual, guys, I do not recommend any type of really heavy flag or double flag setup or really heavy pole. I recommend something light. Slides down in there and just snug these. You don't have to tighten very tight. Just snug them, that's all it is. So there it is, guys. That is the flag mount. It's very cool, guys. It will come complete just like this. This one is just my test model, so I made it 2 colors just for fun, but it will be all one color, available in different colors. So again, like I said, if you're looking for just a flag mount that just works and is so easy to attach and take down, you know, like the video that you just saw, most of the time you're not going to want to run your flag at full speed, 60 miles an hour like I was doing there. You're going to want to run it while you're cruising around and stuff. It's perfect for that. But if you want to take off down the intercoastal, hey, this is good to go, guys. So don't do nothing stupid. Don't go wave jumping and surf jumping and stuff like that. But if you're looking for something to fly your flag and a quick and easy access, no tools needed whatsoever, this is the one for you guys. Check it out on my website. The links will be in the description. And yeah, pretty cool. So this mount is pretty stout, guys. And like I said, it is this easy to take off and to put on, just like that. Hooks right into your Linq. You can use either one. All you do is just pop your Linq up. And remember, it goes on. This part goes towards the middle of the ski. That's simple, guys. Like I said, if you're looking to run a flag only, this is the one for you. It's got some really beefy thumb screws to hold your flag in place. Pretty nice setup. Look for it on the website, guys. Different colors available, and we will see you on the water.